Mango season is here, and whenever ripe mangoes are around, I feel like making something refreshing. So today I am making Mango Shrub, a sweet, tangy, fruity vinegar drink perfect for summer. First, I am taking ripe mango pieces and gently mashing them into a soft pulp. No need to make it too smooth. A little texture is perfectly fine. Now I am transferring this mango pulp into a clean glass jar. Next goes the sugar. Usually, Shrub uses equal amount of mango sugar and vinegar, but I prefer it less sweet. So here I am using only 150 grams of sugar. You can always adjust this to your taste. Now for the warm flavor, I am adding a few cardamom pods. This gives the shrub a beautiful aroma later. Give everything a good mix and make sure the sugar coats the mango well. Now cover the jar and let it sit at room temperature for around 12 hours. By the next day, the sugar has already started pulling out the juices from the mango and you can already smell that fruity sweetness. Now it is time to add the vinegar. Here I am using homemade pear cider vinegar. This not only adds acidity but also brings in beneficial bacteria. If your vinegar is raw and unfiltered, apple cider vinegar with the mother works beautifully too. Even plain white vinegar can be used. Now mix everything really well. Close it again and let it sit for another 48 hours during these 2 days. Just give it a gentle shake or stir twice a day. This helps the mango and cardamom infuse deeply into the vinegar. After that, keep it in the refrigerator for another 2 days. This resting time makes the flavor smoother, deeper, and more balanced. And now it is time to strain. Separate the liquid carefully and pour the finished mango shrub into a clean bottle. Look at that beautiful golden color. Sweet, tangy, and full of summer. Now for the best part, making the drink. I picked some fresh Mexican mint from my garden. It adds such a cooling, herbal freshness into a glass. Add a few spoons of mango shrub, some ice cubes, a few Mexican mint leaves, and around 200 milliliters of water. This makes the drink lighter. Less sweet, more refreshing, and honestly much easier to enjoy in summer. Give it a gentle mix and it is ready. Fruity, tangy, cooling, and lightly aromatic from the cardamom and mint. A simple homemade drink that feels refreshing, healthy, and naturally nourishing. If you enjoy homemade vinegar drinks, fermentation, and gut friendly recipes, stay connected with Brewnourish.